The final subtask of the digital clock and countdown timer project, we're going to be creating the countdown timer function. That is, if user wants to count down from a particular time, then we're going to ask the user to give a time from which they want us to count down from, and then we're going to be printing out each second from the given time until 0, and then we're going to print out a message saying countdown completed. So coming to the code, in the countdown timer function, we're going to take the seconds given by the user as an input, and then we're going to print out countdown timer started, and then we're going to run a while loop with a condition while seconds is greater than 0. That is, when the number of seconds is greater than 0, then we're going to print out time remaining, then we're going to print out the current time, and then we're going to clear out the time printed, and after that we're going to sleep the program for 1 second, and after which we'll decrement the seconds value by 1. That is, let's say user gives seconds input as 10, then we're going to print out time remaining 10 seconds, and then after that we're going to wait for 1 second, and then we're going to decrement seconds by 1, and in the next iteration we're going to print out time remaining 9 seconds. Similarly, we'll be doing that until time reaches 0, after which the condition seconds greater than 0 will be invalid, and then we're going to print out times up. Let's just run this code once. Let me give countdown timer, and let me give 5 seconds. So you can see the program is counting down from 5, and once it reaches 0, we're going to print out times up. Let's just submit this code once. We have passed the test case. So that was it for this particular project, and this project was part of our course Projects for Beginners in C. And if you're watching this on YouTube, maybe head over to CodeChef and try this project out, or any other course which might interest you. And if you're watching this on CodeChef, great job diving into the solution. Move on to the next project. Thank you.